Yo, 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 yo. Y'all can hear me? Hello? Yo, 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 hello? Yo, 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 yo. Y'all can hear me? Can anyone hear me?
Yep.
Let's get this started. Uh, Now, what we looking at, brother? You too. Remember, just too hard on that.
Nothing. Two holiday.
Keep that too hard on
Accused.
Triple Q, coming right up.
This nigga now don't trade none of this, dog.
I do,
Q.
bro. I do. I traded on the daily though.
That sounds like a lie too. All right. What we
I'm
gonna
gonna,
say?
Yeah, I
I'm gonna
ain't
show
never. I'm gonna tell you. I'm gonna keep it a bean.
you.
I never.
Listen, I've been paper trading it. I've been
Let me
paper
tell
trading,
you.
and I've been getting fucked up too.
Yeah, let me tell you the truth, son. I never met nobody that lied more than the nigga from Kennedy, son. I
Bro,
swear to
I'm
God,
about, I'm about to show.
swear to
Oh,
God.
King. Oh, King.
You hear me?
King.
Yeah.
I
This
swear
my
to
dog.
God.
This King.
What's up?
Don't I paper trade QQQs, bro?
Yeah, we trade cues every day.
I
King, what
tell you, I
school you
paper
went to?
trade them.
I went to Brother Martin.
Brother Martin is the second school that I feel like lie the most. You heard me? Say Kennedy, the Brother Martin. You heard me? You got
Yeah.
Say
anything?
now. I'm
I'm starting to
listening.
think them niggas wanted to go to Kennedy, bruh.
I think
Oh,
so too, bro.
see how
The,
they
the
Yeah.
bus
lie?
just didn't go that way for
You,
him, dog.
now you see how they lie? I don't know if it's lies or delusion.
Say
But
now they seen the K Day reunion, it was just like,
Yeah,
man,
that's what it
damn,
was.
I ain't gonna lie. I'm like that really was a school.
But damn, I'm glad I ain't go there.
Y'all should have came.
That was high school high.
I thought that was.
Uh,
I
Fair
thought
East
y'all
Side
had on
High.
Tulane abroad now.
Fair East Side.
All right, QQQ is in the uptrend, bro. We gonna hire you. There it is. There it is.
So on a daily, I know you don't day trade, bro. What would you take, let's say
Hold on,
Tuesday?
we about to come
Because
check.
Monday the market be flat, bro.
Right, Monday the market be flat. Broke this, opened up here, held, traded higher. Y'all still in the uptrend. You guys do have this third month. Y'all about to start printing to come down to 528, 523. Let's go to the weekly. Y'all monthly still in the uptrend though. I got two gaps I need to fill. High lows, guys, or. Y'all having a problem at 577 that y'all keep testing. A weaker candle. Right here, you printed a lower low. That's when y'all came touch the 557. Ugh. Think y'all probably in consolidation right now, bro. So I wouldn't be buying nothing right here until you get like a better move. But ultimately, if you can get that move to the upside, 640 is the next level on the Fibs because I've been holding. So y'all gonna be trading sideways to either go higher. Wait, no. All right, Mike. First move out of consolidation is manipulation. If we get a move to the upside, you think we're gonna sell right back off? Mike here? Or you left?
Yeah, yeah, you get me?
Yeah.
Yeah, go to the daily for me, bro.
Let's see.
The daily for me right quick, big boy cousin.
Oh, this look a little different now.
Uh,
Okay.
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 All right.
I see what's going on. Okay.
Yeah. So, the moves start happening on smaller time frames first. You're gonna see it on the daily before you see it on the weekly or the month.
Okay.
So this is my opinion, bro.
Okay. Okay.
Uh,
Got a gap right here that we inverted, and then we sold right back into. But go ahead,
yeah.
your piece.
No, I'm just saying it look a little so the Qs look a little different than the NASDAQ. But because on the NASDAQ, that red candle from Friday, it
Uh,
closed but those three candles. Those three up closed candles right there.
yes.
So the Nasdaq closed beneath it. It's probably because the Nasdaq traded an extra hour
Right.
after that, but it closed beneath that, bro. So
We can
I'm
open up beneath it. We can open up beneath it if it stays down. Correct.
yeah. So I'm expecting September to open up red selling and then probably in the month green. So I'm expecting a swift sell off the first few weeks of September, especially going to quiet witching, and
Maybe
then
to fill this gap, right? You got another
yeah.
little small gap right here.
Or it could get lower than that. It could get down to the weekly gaps that was beneath them. But it's
Okay.
gonna be fast. It's gonna be fast, and the market gonna reverse and keep going higher.
Okay.
But yeah, see them monthly gaps. You know the monthly chart does not like to leave gaps. So all you gotta do is come in there and touch them gaps. So it's gonna be a quick sell off, dog. I think that's just my opinion. And this candle, we're gonna leave another candle with a wick to the
Say,
upside.
say, Mike, for a gap to technically be filled, all it needs something is to wick by it, or it need another body by it.
So to fill a gap, you want a candle body or a wick to go from top to bottom of that gap. That's a
Right.
gap fill.
So it can either be a wick or a body. It really don't
Yeah,
matter as
yeah,
long as it completely filled.
yes,
But if
yes,
it don't completely fill, we still treating that as a gap.
exactly. Yeah,
All right. Okay.
yeah.
Then the other part with that is, I think me and Bill was talking about it. So you have the gap, and then you have the imbalance.
Mm-hmm.
Whereas this, say this candle didn't exist, and
Hmm.
we closed here, and we just opened here, and there's no candle in here whatsoever. Then you
Hmm.
would want an actual body and not just a wick next to that area, right?
Okay. For a volume imbalance.
Yeah,
For
you want
imbalance.
yeah. So what typically happens is with volume imbalances, the market put price next to that, whether it's a green candle or a red candle. Sometimes it's both. It's gonna reprice that volume imbalance.
Yeah.
But a gap, we could trade to a gap and bounce it and keep going in that direction. We don't have to trade all the way into the gap. You know what I'm saying? So when you see the market treat a gap like a trampoline, you know the market is still intent on going in that direction. It just came to check price at that gap and continue in the direction that it wanted to go in.
Mhm. So yeah, I mean downside for next month. We're doing monthlies now. Uh 523.
Yeah. At least
Uh
at least 5.3 for sure. But yeah, I agree with that.
yeah, at 523. And then we trading lower. Probably gonna come test this area. Let me see what this second gap look like on the weekly. So bam, like right in this area, you would want a red candle next to it, right?
Yep.
Have nothing. You would actually want a
So
red.
that's a volume imbalance right there.
Yeah.
You would want, yeah, and you would want
We
a
counting the wicks of the body for the imbalance.
The space between bodies.
All right, bodies. So when it
Body
come
to
to
body.
volume imbalance, the wick don't matter.
No, because if you want candles are supposed to touch. So if it's just wicks touching or it's just space in between the wicks,
Yeah.
that's an imbalance. Yeah. So the candles, like normal price action
Yeah.
is when candle bodies touch, like they share price.
Okay.
So when they don't share price, if it's just the wicks that share price, that's volume, that's an imbalance, and the market gonna come clean that up.
So yeah, you got the first one here.
Yep.
And if it's really selling, you really get the quiet witching, you'll probably get 492 will be my next target, which you're probably gonna go lower. So let's see for uh movement as we get here on Sundays. This gap right here getting inverted, that will be our sign to go ahead and aim for that 492. So if we come down here, test this area, fill this gap or whatnot, we end up closing underneath it, our next target should be 492.
Mhm.
But weekly wise, we'll be back to talk about it again. You see what I'm saying? So right now, that's what the numbers we'll be looking for the next couple weeks. 528, and then if it inverts, 492 will be the next area. I'm sure.
Excuse me.
Bless you.
Thank you, man. Mm.
Oh, hold on a second. Yo.
Yeah.
All right. Boo, 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 boo. Yeah, we got to see how they open. They might open with a red, like you said, might with a red candle right next to this one.
Mm-hmm.
So, do we like 66 to 57?
Not really.
And the joint, no. Mm-mm.
The market closed tomorrow, huh?
Yeah.
Labor Day.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think futures does allow half a day of trading. So we might have something crazy, like he was saying. We might just end up opening down here if we selling Monday. Then you have another imbalance to where the market might open Tuesday down here, which would be crazy. Not really. It's only like $12.
That's a lot for the cube.
Now we had a day of. It's already like you said. We already closed below this. So take $2. It sold off $2 after market, right? So now you got half a day for us to do whatever we want to the market, and I open.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Gotcha.
yeah. You might be halfway there.
You got that now?
Got you. I'm on mute.
The
I
Trump
got you.
then.
Aye, aye, Captain.
All right. Did you check ES, Mike?
No. I'll
Uh,
probably do that tomorrow, man.
ES daily looks the same.
Mhm. I'll probably do it tomorrow.
ES does look the same.
Oh, I could do it today. Yeah, I can do it while we on Zoom. ES look good, bro.
Yeah.
I might trade the ES next week. I ain't gonna hold you. I love Nikki be manipulating me too much.
I'd like to see what this one open too.
Mhm.
Tibet opens inside the gap.
Though I'm not streaming
It's,
Monday. I'll be back Tuesday.
uh,
I'll be back Tuesday, bro. Give me a little mental break.
yeah, we still need that close underneath it. They still bullish.
Mhm.
Go to the month. Man. Just broke the 642. Got 686 is the next number. It cleaned this up, so there's not a gap. We still have the gap at 611. We're coming into the third month. If it wants to try to come fill it. If it wants to fill and turn around, this is like a quick sell to where it need to start doing that, hitting that wing at the beginning of the month so it could turn around in the month green. But like if we end up doing that later, I don't see us doing that after quiet, which is selling off.
Mhm.
Because they're gonna have people getting back into the market
Mhm.
unless we just don't have a sell off this quiet witching, which is possible. But for the most part, I think we should open this month red to get down here and do it. And then as the third week of the month starts to show up and those contracts start to open, you'll see the market turn around. So me personally, I'm looking for like the first 2 weeks to be selling off unless it just plan on staying down there. But we got to see what news they want to bring up, all the other extra shit. That'll be my target. That's my target for the month at 611. Coming down in this area to test that monthly gap. What you think, Mike?
I'm with you.
So yeah, even though we broke here, y'all, what I would like to see weekly wise is just opening under 640. What got on my fib? 642, which is if we can open up Tuesday, $4 down. Use that 42 as a sale. Uh see. Yeah, because kind of like generally this area uh kind of slowed up. So you got something there. I could be off a little bit. It could be 46, but I would want 42. I would want to open up under 42. And then we sell out to the 611. And then reverse from there. Come clean that gap up or give us the manipulation to the downside. And from that number, I don't know we'll make it this year, but we break and we close this month back above 642. After going to 610, 686 is the next number. You got anything to add to this one, Mike?
No, you good.
Let's go into some individuals. All right. Dum, dum, dum. NVIDIA. Again, higher high, higher low on the month. I just feel like it's time to come down. I still like 140, but it's just a strong axe. Earnings is out the way. That'll just be people taking profit, getting into if they open up like new contracts at the end of the chain. But high side, I got 198. Low side, I still like 140. Want to look at the weekly. It's just kind of still right at it, pulls right at that line. I don't even want to call it a break or not, but this definitely was knocking it down. That 182. Now on the flip side of this, if this consolidation right here, this is actually where you would want to buy, and it'll end up breaking out of consolidation. Now you're at 74, and that bitch just run to 98. That's a tough one. NVIDIA is in a bad spot to pick and choose on it. It's like right on that line. But definitely your downside is 140 if it do turn over. If it turns over, it's the perfect place to buy. If it's gonna run out of this consolidation, is at the bottom of it right now. That would be the perfect place to go up to 198. So 198, 200. You want to look at the daily?
Yeah.
Same thing. Consolidating right here.
Yeah.
And this would be the bottom of the consolidation is where you want to buy because again, you get them green candles and they decide to break this time. This was your number. But
that's a nice consolidation.
Yeah, let's say it's going down. This was actually the place to sell from 182 because it's going down and then it just keep on going. That's usually how they break out. Looks very ugly down there. Yeah, we do start selling. I think 140 on a bigger time frame. And I'm looking for that to happen early, not late. This bitch might be selling. I could see it continuing down from here. Because it wicked all the way back up here, Mike. Came right back to the high. Rejected it. Yeah, I think NVIDIA could be coming down. Give us an entry to the upside. I'm still a fan of this 140, 151 area. Come fill that whole gap, especially on the monthly. There's a monthly gap too. Come fill it, then take that joint back up to the upside. My contract would be for the high. $184, probably it's a 175. 1 year, year and a half out. Real float your boat. Now the only other thing, you think it'll come down here and start consolidating? We don't know. That's a possibility. But
It should be should be a good buying opportunity at 140.
Yeah. I'm about to tell you, if it consolidate here, it's probably gonna wick out, come test this gap, and then take off. You heard me? It would consolidate a couple weeks down in this 140 area.
Yeah, that's a gap you want to buy, bro. You want to buy
This
that?
this one, huh?
Yeah, you want to buy it out. Yep. Because just look at it, bro. It's yeah, absolutely.
Do you think this one fails? That's in a bad world, huh?
I don't know, bro. It can.
I, is it worth the waiting?
So I would start my position at 140. If it go down there at 120, I just add.
Establish another one? I
Uh,
don't know.
I'll
Add
add. I'll add to the positions that I'm already in, or add more time or whatever. Add more contracts, whatever. Because it's going to reverse from now.
I know you try to get like that cheap price,
Mhm.
trying to buy down from here. So like if you get a 175 when it's in this 140 area, probably do like
Okay.
a 170 or a 180 when it comes down here. So you're
Who got
saying that.
earnings this week?
Wait, who got earnings?
Hmm.
Everybody's done. Nvidia was the last one who was waiting on.
I think they got some
They,
cybersecurity companies that have earnings.
I don't know why guys at Marlin and Ben. Well, I'm lying.
What I tell you,
On a
bro.
guess that Marlin's barbecue.
I think
500.
CRM, Zscaler, AVGO, Lulu,
Salesforce.
DocuSign. All right, so a couple of them got earnings this
Yeah, I'm
week.
about to say just your big AI companies out the way, but you still got a few big names.
We're not gonna do this though, right? We ain't doing that. I'm not doing it with y'all.
No, 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 no,
Uh,
no, no.
we're
Take
not
that
about
off of the chart, brother, please.
yeah,
Please.
we're not
Please.
about that. This is supposed to be a
Oh,
impromptu,
God.
really quick. Tesla's
Tesla,
still
though,
doing
bro.
this thing. I'm gonna tell y'all, boy. No
When
lie.
Tesla go,
We've
though,
been
it's
we've
going
been
to go.
calling consolidation. You probably had some joints up in here, bro. Sell it here. Right here. Sell it here. Right here.
Uh,
Sell it here.
that thing's something. Oh, boy, that thing consolidating.
Yeah. We waiting for break outside consolidation. So still no plays on Tesla. Uh, what else? What else, y'all?
What y'all say about Palantir?
160 puts for next year.
AMD. Y'all posting
Yeah,
it live
and
or
AMD
we on the low?
116. Now,
Jesus
yeah,
Christ.
we gonna post. We're gonna post this live. We ain't calling no names. Nobody messing anything up.
AMD 116?
Yeah, you know that, Maul.
Time to exit my long position.
Whoa, hold on.
116?
Yeah,
All
yeah,
right.
bro.
Yeah,
What's wrong with your boy? This still acting as this Netflix. Nobody ain't in here. Still got Netflix coming out here, bro. A brother man. Come take out this one. Let's still acting as a business. Let's get off here. Nobody's on here. All right, so we say AMD, right? See? 116 right here. Correct, Mike?
what if? Oh shit, we're in that 50% range soon.
Unless it's holding. I mean,
Yeah, 116 for sure.
All right, appreciate that.
Oh,
no, hold on, bro.
yeah, it's going down now.
I feel like it's going down there.
It's going down now. Don't worry.
I got a couple of them January contracts. I'm gonna sell a few of them.
You got January what?
Oh shit, the ones
2026.
y'all called out. Yeah, the 115 joints.
Oh, you got 115 long?
Yeah, the January 115s.
Oh.
Come on.
Dog,
Oh.
I've been to it.
Somebody,
Listen.
somebody's been holding it down.
Listen.
Dog, I've been told y'all that, bruh. That's why I kept bringing AMD up.
No. You brought up AMD because we charted.
Mob been sniping, bro.
Oh, wait. Now y'all know I'm now saying it's the truth because he went to Kennedy. Kennedy niggas don't lie. You been sniping, bruh.
Hold on, man. Hold on, man.
Don't worry about it. We're happy for you. Now listen, do what I want to know though.
Go
Are
ahead.
you still in all of them that you initially bought? You didn't take profit on none of them?
I took profit on 2. I'm still in 4.
All right. Yeah. Hey, well, you good. I don't know if you want, what's your target? Oh, you said 115.
Yeah.
Yeah, they getting, as far as the potential, I mean, I'm pretty sure you still gonna have money on them.
Yeah.
You definitely seeing, if they run back up to here, it's not gonna be the same price.
Right. Yeah, they I took a nasty little hit on them from the top, and it's just been leaking down ever since, you know what I'm saying?
Yes,
It ain't bad, but no, bro.
It actually could stay in this area a little bit longer, but that's no good for you.
Yeah. I think my
Even if
sale
it
gonna be
don't,
at like 160.
I wouldn't get I wouldn't get a 116. If you gonna do something, I would have it like the same way to where whatever this number is, like a 160 put.
Okay.
If it goes down. Right, Daddy? But this still probably be a back and forth thing to where it don't just sell off. Yeah. But monthly wise, you got a gap down here. Another gap it created. You get a weekly closure underneath here. 162. Probably gonna come fill this at 140. And then from 140. 160. Yeah. The Spy, the Dow one, the Netflix. What y'all said one right before Palantir? Hmm. Down.
125s?
I like 100. I like the 100.
Look at that shit.
I like the 100s. I like the 100 balls. All right. Come on, Mike. Talk to us. Created a gap. Created a gap. Inverted the gap. Tested the inversion. Sold off. Got your little doji here. 140 on the weekly.
Could trade back into that gap that it created. Just
Oh, you still give it a chance to go back one more time?
mm-hmm.
Okay, one more time. 160 one more time. I like that on a big time frame too.
It sell.
This monthly, it could go. It could go down.
Alert to my folks. But hey, y'all sell y'all Palantir shares for a second. I'm gonna tell y'all when I buy them again.
Yeah, 125 your first number. Maybe you get a 125 mall, and then see that bitch go all the way down to 90, 93 0.
It's going to 40, you see, huh?
40.
You got this happening in the first week of September?
Can I have your phone?
I'm using my phone, buddy.
Hey, let me make a phone call, bro. I'll see what I can do for y'all. Anybody in the $40
Uh,
put? No, all right. If I do it for one, I got to do it for everybody, man. You heard me? Anybody else in the $40 push? I can put the call in, bro.
I don't
Nope.
need it to come all the way to 40, but you know,
If it do,
hey,
no more
can it
Zoom.
go? Can it go in 1 week?
What we said, September 125s? We looking to extend that longer.
October, I thought it was doing October,
Okay.
but I do believe this move, what my boy said, it will happen swiftly.
Yeah.
I like this.
Already know that.
Oh, man.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So you wanted to
definitely
trade
one.
higher. You wanted to trade higher first. Trade into that gap. That's your manipulation.
She already went in there. Oh, the gap is holding it right now daily.
So look at the consolidation.
Uh-huh.
You wanted to trade higher first, back into that gap, and then get you a nice drop. Manipulate.
Sitting on the bottom of it right now.
Mm-hmm. That's what you want. So and Palantir trade back into that gap. Anything above what that is, 161, 162, something like that.
Uh-huh.
Get short. Get short, man. Buy out whatever's 125s,
Hold
130s.
on, Mike. Trying
My
to do
bad.
something here, bro.
My bad, bro.
Got you, dog. I know what you're looking for. This should be your 50% right now. 163. It kind of came up there already, though, boo boo.
You can go back up there.
What do we get closer below this gap?
And then that's your entry then. But I'm just looking at it from the stages because there's a reason why we consolidating right here.
Right.
Right. So the market, all right, boom. Let me take off to the upside. Let me get them thinking that we about to run. And then when it sell
Which I
off,
believe is this.
it's gonna be
So let's say we get a close underneath 156. Are we still waiting for 163? Are you willing to move your entry price down to 156?
I
So we
mean
close back outside this gap.
you can adjust it from there. You know, you can adjust it's a play by ear basis for me though, but just from a technical standpoint, I need the manipulation to happen first. Like I need you
You
to
want the manipulation to go up first.
yeah, so I can sell it because I know where you're going.
So yeah, another 160, 161 area. I mean 160, 163, which is 50% of the gap. I'll go ahead and take that bad boy down. Be it the 160s for 3 weeks out. The 140s for October. So on and so forth. Target bent 140, then 93, I believe, right? I mean 140, 125, 93. The more time you get, the more you can wait. I want the for sure contracts. Buy them bitches in the money. That way you ain't worrying about how long it's gonna take to get down there. Buy one in the money and then buy one out the money. You heard? One in the money, one out the money. That out the money gonna print so quick you get out of that one and just hold your one that you bought in the money. Talk to me. Hold your 160, and then once it starts selling down, get off your 125 or your 93. Because that one gonna been an already made some bread.
What's the time frame on them again?
Most of them, I'm thinking October, bro. If not further. I mean, if I get a 93, I'm probably going a year just to be safe. This is a monthly. It took us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months to do it. So I'm not mad at a January, but you just won't be for sure.
Okay, the dragon goes under the bridge
And that's for this one, the 93.
into the castle.
I'm cool with a January 160. I'm fucking with that. I'm definitely cool with a January 160. But
She turned into a beautiful looker, and they lived
three
ever after.
pieces. They play around. They want to like
A shooting star.
give you a green week somewhere in between that.
What did you wish
I don't know if it's gonna be a gap or not. So like the moves that got to be respected on lower time frame. Better give everybody else interest to the down. That should just dump. So that's why I see that. And you definitely don't want to have your 93 hitting the same week your shit expired because that theta still had that shit cooked. So want to still have time on that contract when it come down. Any questions about this one? It's happening. Any questions? No. That's it?
Planetary look like it's gonna be our money.
Huh?
Yeah, I mean,
Daddy?
to miss
I
it
think
going up how we did, to not play it how we could have, I think everybody is well deserving of getting in the put to the downside. Yes. Yes. For the amount of time we put on this chart, I think we all should be getting in the put. You too, Mike. You too, Mike.
You too can prevent forest fire.
You too. All right. We good with these? Mike, you won't go to ES or whatnot? Do y'all have any other things y'all want to get on?
That's when the big bucks start rolling in. Told you it was coming to that gap, bro.
We closed inside.
Told you, bro. Coming for that gap.
You got
We closed in this bitch.
That's enough.
$98 entry. 450 put. I'm gonna do this. Mike, you going to futures?
If y'all want me to, I can.
Come. You said you had something to show us anyway, dog. Where you at? Where you at on site?
All right.
I'm gonna send y'all a message about old Casey, the ultimate pizza police. Gotcha. You streaming tomorrow? No?
No, indeed, boy.
I think you should, dog.
Find you something safe to do, buddy.
I think you should. Let's get up at 6, soon as the London close, because it ain't a holiday in London, bro.
Okay. You be
Yeah.
I'm gonna stream, bro. I'm gonna stream.
So we're cooking a day, so
I'm a stream.
Oh,
I'm a stream, dog. Yeah, I'm a stream. So if Twitch telling you that he not online, just keep trying. Keep trying. Keep trying. We'll be on there.
I got you. Here,
Look, all right, so this is what I got, bro. Kind of like along the lines of what Brother Hayes was saying. Like, so this the NASDAQ daily. So we closed beneath these three up close candles, right? Close outside of the gap finally.
Supposed to be.
Finally closed outside of this gap. So last week, I was telling y'all that I was expecting us to sell from this gap. But we kind of manipulated above the gap, and I don't like when Nikisha do that. So Nikisha, she be playing these games, like eventually she started to sell, close beneath these three up close candles. So now you got to change in the state of delivery, right? So the delivery goes from bullish to bearish on a daily time frame, right? So if I go down to a lower time frame, you'll be able to see. And I'm gonna go down to the 1 hour right quick, and I ain't gonna keep y'all long.
I got the candle.
Well, look.
Watch the candle.
Check me out. Check me out. Boom, bop, bing, bing, bop, boom. Look, this is what we got. So this is the range we trade in. This is 1 hour, right? Highest wick, lowest candle body. Discount, equilibrium, premium, right? Market sold off. Where we stopped at?
Now don't get text. Are there any
The market sold off Friday. Look where we stopped at. Equilibrium, right? You see, y'all see that?
yes.
All right, so look, Mike, this is what we always say when we get to equilibrium. What we do, we consolidate. We consolidate it for the rest of the day. You don't believe me? Okay, I'll go to the 5 minute. I'm gonna show you. There was a move to the downside. Boom. This is what we did for the rest of the day. Consolidation. Right? So let me go back to the 1 hour. I just wanted to show y'all that. So look, when we consolidate. So the first move out of the consolidation, you want to be manipulation, right? So if you want the market to continue to sell, you want the market to manipulate higher, right? What we have above us? Damn, bro, we got this gap above us. So we can manipulate higher to this gap. Also, from a daily perspective, daily change in the state of delivery. So, okay, so the bottom of this candle, the opening price of this, the first down up close candle is 23,505. 23,505.75, right? So if I go down to the 1 hour, and this, I kind of dug a little deep on this one. This is what I did.
How you want to remember the
I kind of went back. I kind of went old school.
This is all my fault. Yes.
So I said 23,505 is the first up close candle for the change in the state of delivery on the daily, and then this swing right here is what, 508, 505. So
Big joke.
anywhere in this area to this gap, I'll be looking to get short. Now,
That's not such a bad thing.
I'm gonna say one more thing, then I'm gonna bid y'all farewell. We could do the benediction and we could get out of here. So I just want to go over some
What the benediction is?
Huh?
What?
Well, look, check it out. So when the market sets a range, right? Like we said, we got a range set, right? So normally what they'll do is trade to discount, equilibrium. Let me see. My bad. Hold up. Let me go back to where I was at. All right. So I'm not even gonna go here. I'm gonna just start right here. It'll trade the discount, consolidate the equilibrium. Y'all see that? So remember what I kept saying last week that this was like a exaggerated consolidation. So we consolidated at equilibrium, then we traded to premium, right? So we went from discount, equilibrium, premium, equilibrium. So this is what we're about to do. If you don't believe me, bet $5. This is what we're about to do. Discount, equilibrium to premium, premium back to equilibrium, back to premium to discount. Bet money. Anybody want to bet $1? So back to premium, down to discount. Now, the funny thing about this is we might take all this liquidity from beneath the marketplace out. This is a market maker. This is a market maker sell model. All right. Akeem, you familiar with that? You heard that term before? It's a market maker sell model, bro.
No, what it is?
Because I knew you was watching the videos. I thought you might have heard him say that.
No, I ain't even get past the first one yet.
But yeah, bro. So this is what we got, dog. Now y'all know I use the 1 hour chart as my daily chart. So this is why I be so in depth about the 1 hour chart. But if I go to the 4 hour, I probably could find the same reasons to do the same thing. Right? Because look, let me see. Then I'm gonna let y'all go, bro. Enjoy y'all Sunday, man. I gotta go get my babies in a second. Oh, hold up. Hold up. There we go. Same thing. So this should be a continuation to the downside. Go get the rest of this rest of liquidity beneath the marketplace. That's why I say the market could open up the month selling and then reverse, and we can end the month green in September. But same rules apply, bro. Trade back to this gap. And it all aligns with the daily time frame. It all aligns, in my opinion. I don't think we're gonna have a problem trading through this gap. We didn't already filled it with this wick. So I don't think we have a problem trading through it, getting to this buy side, this sell side liquidity beneath us. So that's what I'm looking at going into the week or the first 2 weeks of the month. So, but just keep in mind, bro. So even from a 5-minute perspective, consolidation, manipulation, move. So even for right here, and I missed this trade. I didn't really get an entry on this trade. I knew I wanted to sell a market Friday. I just didn't get no entry. Cool. When we consolidated coming out of London, news candle manipulated, swept some intermediate high right here, this high, and this high, swept that, and it reversed. I ain't get no entry. I know I wanted to short the market Friday. I just didn't get no entry. I was kind of upset about that. I ain't gonna hold you.
What would have been your optimal entry? Just looking in hindsight.
So I'm glad you asked me that. So frees me up to answer. So I have this thing about taking 1-minute entries on stream. I stopped doing it because it's a little risky, and I know some people be copying my trades, and I don't want them to be on a 1-minute thinking that whatever. So this gap, I really was about to pull a trigger in this gap right here and sell it, but I was like, nah, I'm gonna wait for 5-minute confirmation. But I didn't get 5-minute confirmation on this trade.
It already sold off within the 5
started
minutes.
moving, right?
Yeah.
So hindsight being 2020, I also said that I wanted us to get a nice closure beneath this gap, this 5-minute gap, and we closed maybe 2 ticks beneath it. I was like, that's not enough for me. And then it traded back into it, and it dropped. And I was like, well, I don't really have no entry. And I
So you would have just been chasing if you would have gotten in there.
You'll be chasing price, bro. And that's not, I don't want to I don't want to be that kind of trader, bro. I graduated from that already, bro. I don't want to go back to it. But sometimes that's the cost of doing business. Sometimes you know where the market going, it just don't give you entry. You know what I'm saying? And a safe entry for me would have been like if we would have closed a little bit beneath this gap, like this, and then came back to retest this gap, then I would have entered at the bottom of this gap. I kind of put my stop loss up here somewhere, and I would have rode it regress of the way down. But it just didn't work out in my favor. And sometimes that happens.
Have a nice day.
Can't be mad at it. But I was kind of upset. I knew it was going to sell Friday. I smelt it in the air. But yep. So just like we consolidated here coming out of London, we consolidated for the rest of the day Friday. After the first move to the downside, that was it. Consolidation. So now I'm expecting us to manipulate higher and then drop. That's my expectation going into next week. So I think the futures market closed at 11 tomorrow. I know it opened up at 5 tonight, and then it closed at 11 tomorrow, and then it opened back up at 5 tomorrow, and then it's open for the rest of the week. But I know the stock market closed tomorrow for sure. But that's what I'm looking for on as far as the futures go going into the week. This is my area of interest. This is the sweet spot, but I'm gonna be looking at how we respond to price. When we start trading higher, if we trade, the market might open up and just start selling, bro. It might not even care about all this stuff up here, and that's gonna really piss me off. I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, bro. So that's what I'm looking for going into the week, man. Like a nice retracement back to premium, and I can sell it all the way to discount. Because if you think about it, it's nothing else that's gonna really stop us from getting to this liquidity beneath us. There's nothing there. We left a lot of liquidity beneath us, a lot. For even the 4 hour, it's a lot of liquidity. The daily, it's a lot of liquidity. All these lows, we got these relative equal lows, we got these lows, we got this gap down here. I'm expecting us to, start the month selling. That's it, dude. That's it. So that's all I got for y'all, bro. Any questions, comments, or concerns, please feel free to DM Winston on Instagram.
No, I was on daddy duty this morning, so I couldn't take notes, bro. Please post it live so I could go back and look over it.
Oh, for sure. For sure. For sure. But anything else, bro? Anything else y'all want to look at right quick? I know we good. Everybody good?
I think we're good. Anybody barbecuing today?
I seen Maul, I don't know
Maul
if
was
Maul
at
at, bro.
KD.
I don't know if Maul in Houston. I don't know if he in Shreveport. I don't know if that boy in Alexandria.
I
Like, I
think
don't know
he
about
not down here because he told us he was gonna holler at us when he come back down
for
here.
Labor. We were supposed to be barbecuing for Labor
Yeah, it
Day.
was for a barbecue. I had to come back. I had to drive back home Friday, man. I
Yeah,
had to
he
drive
not
a 2 hour shift.
Oh man,
he
this
not
man
down here.
Maul.
That's for sure. I know Kennedy people do like little shady shit, but I know he wasn't down here, dog. So he wouldn't do that because we just talked about this. He wouldn't do that. So now, in Kennedy fashion, you lying talking about the man was down there, bro. Don't do that.
But why you ain't go to KD, Maul?
Man, I had
Cause
to
he
work,
wasn't
man.
down here, bro.
I
He
had to
gonna
work,
tell us
brother.
when he coming down here. You hear me?
If I'm down the next weekend,
He
man,
gonna let you
we could
know
put
when
something together, bro.
he gonna let you know when he in a AMD call, bro, for 115.
Chill out, man.
He
Chill out,
gonna let
man.
you. He from Kent. He gonna let you know that.
He ain't let me know, dog.
He gonna let you know. There don't be signs. You hear me? He gonna tell you.
Oh man.
He ain't gonna tell you directly, but you'll know. You hear me? Nah, I got you. I will post it, bro. Guys, enjoy y'all day.
Hachi
Y'all have a good
Tachi.
weekend, bro.
All right.